third grade. Mrs. Thompson here with your fluency lesson today. Today, we will learn how to interpret the meaning of factors, the size of the group, or the number of groups. I can determine if a factor represents the size of the group or the number of groups. Fluency option 1 is to do another sprint. So yesterday you did sprint 1A and sprint B, which were on pages 1 and 2 of your fluency workbook. Boys and girls, we're going to go to the very next page and it's going to say lesson 3 and it looks like this. And we're only going to do one of them. You can do B if your teacher wants you to. Remember, you may not get all of them correct today, but that's okay. The expectation is that we get better each time that we do a sprint. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to start the timer. Do not get started until I say go. Put your hands up. On your mark. Get set. Go. All right, draw a line where you stop. And let's go over the answers. Remember, we're going to go from this side here, all the way down, and then go back up and come back down. All right, ready? Number 1 is 4. Remember to circle any one of them that you have incorrect, but anything that you have correct, whisper yes. Number 1, 4. Number 2, 4. Number 3, 10. Number 4, 10. Number 5, 6. Number 6, 6. Number 7, 8. Number 8, 8. Number 9, 15. Number 10, 15. Number 11, 20. Number 12, 20. Number 13 is 8. Number 14 is 8. Number 15 is 6. Number 16 is 6. Number 17 is 12. Number 18 is 12. Number 19 is 10. Number 20 is 10. Number 21 is 25. Number 22 is 25. We're going to keep going to this side. Number 23 is 14. Number 24 is 14. Number 25 is 18. Number 26 is 18. Number 27 is 16. Number 28 is 16. Number 29 is 9. Number 30 is 9. Number 31 is 12. Number 32 is 12. Number 33 is 12. Number 34 is 12. Number 35 is 20. Number 36 is 20. Number 37 is 18. Number 38 is 18. Number 39 is 24. Number 40 is 24. Number 41 is 21. Number 42 is 21. Number 43 is 27. And number 44 is 27. Awesome work. And if you want to do another fluency, you can do B. But go ahead and count all the ones you have correct. And once you have counted them, write the number here. See you tomorrow for your fluency work.